In this video I will show you 3 essential upgrades for your Suzuki JIMNY that you should install. The upgrades are for the Gen 3 1998 to 2018 and also work perfect on the Gen 4, the current model. My JIMNY has stock worn out tires and no lift. In this video I will change that. The upgrades will improve going off-road but also makes the JIMNY way better on-road. And it improves the look of the JIMNY. So it's a win-win-win situation. I'm turning this Suzuki JIMNY into a camper. Hi, my name is Victor Bart. Today is a very exciting day. I got a call from the workshop that my upgrades are in. This tire is a Bridgestone all-terrain tire. And it is a 205 70/15, so stock size. And I need bigger ones. But this is a Bridgestone HD tire, an highway terrain tire, and I don't even know what that means. Probably just an SUV tire. 71 centimeters and in the front 72 centimeters. On the rear of the JIMNY I only have a rim because I damaged that tire and so I took it off. My current tires are worn out, so they need replacing anyways, so it's easy to upgrade to a bigger size tire if you already need to swap all of them. I don't really like the stock suspension of the JIMNY. It's just not good enough. It is just not a really nice ride. So with the longer springs and the upgraded shocks and the lift kit and everything, the ride will be much smoother and much more enjoyable. And I'm gonna install the steering damper because that improves the overall ride. The weather is really terrible. Wind, rain, thunder. Perfect day to spend in a workshop. I arrived at Suzi's place and directly drove into the mechanic bay. This is Arno. He runs Suzi's place in Buren in the Netherlands. He is the expert in the Netherlands in Suzuki 4x4 cars. By email we discussed my plans and today we are installing the upgrades. So in a few hours my JIMNY is more badass. I chose the Ironman 5 cm lift kit. It comes with 4 springs and 4 shocks. I choose the B variant. That gives me 50 kilos more spring rating in the front and 200 kilos more in the rear. With this kit you don't need anything else. Also the brake lines doesn't need to be extended. Suzi's place is a test car with Ironman suspension. So before buying this upgrade you can test it out. But warning, after driving the test car you want this Ironman suspension upgrade. We chose for General Crabber 83 tires in the size 215/75 R15. It's a perfect fit for the JIMNY. It's an all-terrain tire with the 3 Mountain Peak Snowflake logo. So in Europe they are allowed to be used in the winter. So I have just one tire for the whole year. Also we're gonna install a run show steering stabilizer. This makes the steering more stable and prevents the JIMNY dead wobble. I choose to get a full spare wheel with the same General Crabber 83 tire. And as you can see I kept the steel rims. I like how they look and you can repair a bent rim with a hammer. Look at my JIMNY now. This looks so amazing. I love it. In the front I gained 7 cm body lift and in the rear 10 cm. So now is the question, how does it drive? The suspension is so smooth. way less bouncy if you go over speed bumps. The steering is perfect, no more shaking in the steering wheel. Also the wheels are now balanced, so maybe that also helps. The new tires doesn't make any noise and it's stable in corners. The approach, brake over, departure angles and the ground clearance are improved. The tires are bigger, but if I go 100 km an hour on the odometer, it's like 101 km an hour on the GPS, so that is perfect. 3 upgrades that really improves the Jimny, so get in contact with Suzi's place or your local specialist to improve your car. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I turn this little Jimny into a solo camper, where I sleep inside with an electric system and a fridge and a complete setup. It will be a pretty long video and I'm still making that video, so you need to wait a little bit on that one, but it will be amazing. And if you like to support me, you can check out my Ko-fi page. And thanks for watching.